Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone here in Fort Myers, Florida. Not for long, heading to Wilmington in about 2 weeks. I'm excited. Can't wait to get there. My studio has kind of been depleted. I've kept out most of my favorite paints and cups and pouring mediums and whatnot, but everything else is packed up in those big old Craftsman bins, the plastic ones with the black lids, and they're ready to head north, all protected. And I wish each and every one of those things I put in those buckets safe travels. I'm gonna do a traveling ring pour. And I'm going to do it in my favorite color combination of all time. Let me introduce those colors to you. And the way I introduce you to them is the order in which I pour them in my cup. Right here, my beloved golden fluids, the Q word in the nickel azo gold. Right here is Deco Satin Enamel in the neutral beige. Golden fluids in the carbon black, and golden fluids in the iridescent bronze. Now, all of these paints but the DecoArt are fluid, and when I'm doing a ring pour, a traveling ring pour, I need my paints nice and thick. So what I do is I put a big old glob, about a tablespoon, of my Liquitex Gel Gloss medium in the bottom of the cup, and then I slowly start to add my paint to it. How much paint? It depends on how dark I want my pigment, probably equal parts. So a tablespoon of paint to a tablespoon of the Gel Gloss medium, and then I stir that up really good before I add any other pouring medium to it. And then it gets a healthy squirt of GAC 800, stir that up really good, and then I add my pouring medium. Today, it's just Floetrol. The reason just Floetrol, usually my pouring medium is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium for my swipes and any kind of technique that I want a thinner paint. I need thicker paint, so Gel Gloss medium gets added to the paint, and then instead of the 50-50 Floetrol Liquitex pouring medium, I use strictly Floetrol because Floetrol is thicker than Liquitex, and the other pouring medium is a little bit thinner. Our flow extender is here. You can't see it, but it is absolutely yummy. I did it on another pour, and I love it. It has a bit of a shimmer. It is Creative Inspirations in the lamp black, but what I added to it was about a tablespoon and a half of the golden iridescent gold fine. The flow extender or base coat color is the same consistency as my other paints, if anything just a little bit thinner. Now you're going to see me do one, I said traveling ring pour. I think I'm going to do a ring pour and then just overstretch it because I love the way that it looks. You'll see me add my flow extender or my base coat color a little bit at a time, because when I add that paint to the canvas, after I've added my, my ring pour, I don't want it to move into that ring pour and adjust the shape of my composition. So I added a little bit at a time. What else can I tell you? I speed this up because sometimes I take about an hour and a half, which I don't mind. The longer it takes, the happier I am. But I speed it up for you so I don't put you to sleep, but I actually tilt very, very slow. And every once in a while, I'll go into real time and tell you that so you can see exactly how slow I go. I could watch those paints move all day long. What else do I have to tell you? Oh, 18 by 18 edge canvas, one of my favorite sizes, and I've got some really nice floating frames that this will fit into, and I'm excited to use some of my favorite colors. I'm excited to be painting. I'm excited that you joined me, guys. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go. But I keep walking right into your arms, and if I'm falling, I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out, this is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. All the voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent when you're around. I hope you'll stay till the end. But I keep walking right into your arms, and if I'm falling, I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm standing with you, 'cause